Hi there. Today we're going to talk about SEL learning. In just a few short ways, you can incorporate SEL in your classroom instruction. We all know that SEL works. We all know that it helps promote academic performance. It helps positive mental awareness, and it also promotes healthy relationships. When you use SEL in the classroom, students gain a self and social awareness, and it helps to build relationships between students and teachers. Hi, so we're inside of Teams. You can open up whichever team you'd like, and we're going to search for the Reflect app. The Reflect app looks like this, right? The heart and then the circle. This is all built for the learner's emotional needs. So we'll go into the Me space and we'll click the ellipses, and you can type Reflect. You can go to more apps to search for it. Click on that. Mine says open because I've already added it to this team. You'll click add, and then you will see it in your posts. It won't show up automatically. You'll have to click on new conversation and look for the heart. Click on that. And this is something that's really easy, super quick, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. It's all built in there for you. You don't have to come up with the questions. How do your friendships feel today? Educators see students' names and reflections. Classmates see reflections, but not names. I suggest keeping that. And then let's talk about the duration. If this is something you want them to complete for homework, or something you want them to complete over the next 8 hours or 24 hours, that's fine, but you will not see the answers populate until 8 hours later. So I suggest 5 minutes. And then it gives them the emojis, and you click send, and then it's ready for your students. Super quick, super easy. So here we are in Lumio. If you don't know how to get to Lumio, it's right in class link, Lumio Smart Staff. To look for SEL lessons, you can explore your resources. Really quick and painless. Put the words or the letters SEL in it. And there are a ton of social emotional learning lessons. They range from pre-kindergarten, pre-K, all the way to 12th grade. Some of them are for the elementary school. Some of them are more geared for the middle school and the high school. Choose one and make it part of your activity for the day. It could be in the beginning of class, it could be in the end, but it'll be a collaborative workspace, and you'll really get to know how your students are feeling. Really easy, fun, and student-centered.